Hi guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an attendance list in Google Sheets. So if you don't want to make attendance sheet from scratch and you want to use you can just use the template from Google Sheets. So what you need to do is open this link and then go to the template gallery and find the education section. Scroll down this one and you'll find attendance. You can just click on the template and it will automatically open like this. Okay, so what you need to do is you can just make some adjustment. So class name, for example, sunflower class, Miss Jean, and student name, for example, Liam, and also for example, and then if he or she present, you can just click on P for present, and also L for late, and also E for excuse, and or U for unexcused absence. So you can also change the date right here. I'm going to use this today's date, and what you need to do is just drag this to make some adjustment. Okay, so just like that, the attendance has been added, and when in the next day you can just do the same. For example, E, and also present like that. And this is the attendance key that I explained before. Okay, so I think that's all for me. It's so easy to make an attendance list in Google Sheet. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.